Hello students, today we will do a problem in real numbers. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is any positive integer. So here we have to show that n or n plus 1 or n plus 4. Among these three numbers, any one is divisible by 3. So, here if you observe n plus 2, n plus 4. Suppose, let us take n is equal to 1. So, what I will get? 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. If I put n is equal to 1, only this 3 is divisible. That is n plus 2 is divisible. Suppose if I take n is equal to 2, what I will get? This becomes 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is divisible. So in this way, if I take any value for n, only one among the 3 is divisible by 3. That is what we have to show. But we have to show here. So now, only 1 and 1 out of this is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means what? That n is of the form 3k. n is equal to 3k form. Or n plus 2 will be of 3k. Or n plus 4 is of the form 3k. So here we will take three cases. First case we will take that n is divisible by 3. Then we will show that these two are not divisible. Second case we will take n plus 2 is divisible. And we will show that n and n plus 4 are not divisible. Third case, we will take n plus 4 is divisible and n plus 2 are not divisible. So when we are showing this one, we will use division lemma, Euclid's division lemma. Okay. So first, given numbers are, what are the given numbers? Given numbers are n plus 2, n plus 4. Okay. So let us take first case. Let n is divisible by 3. We are taking n is divisible by 3. So n is of the form 3k. I can write n is equal to 3k. Okay. So now what is n plus 2? Check it. N plus 2 is equal to, in place of n, what I have to put? 3k plus 2. Now compare this 3k plus 2 with our Euclid's division lemma. What I will get? This is in the form of bq plus r. I'll just explain here. This is 3k plus 2. Compare this with Euclid's division lemma, bq plus r. What is r here? R is 2. R is a remainder. What is b? B is 3. So, when you are dividing a by b, we are getting quotient q, remainder r. That is, we are dividing this number a. Here a is not there. Okay, a is, that is a is 3 plus 2 it will be. So, now when we are dividing it by 3, we are getting a remainder 2. It is, we are getting a remainder 2 means, which means this number is not divisible. N plus 2 is not divisible. So, n plus 2 is equal to 3k plus 2. That is, we get a remainder 2. We get a remainder 2 when divisible by 3. We are getting a remainder 2 means clearly this n plus 2 is not divisible. Here n is divisible by 3. N plus 2 is not divisible. Now n plus 4. N plus 4. What is n here? N is 3k. I can write it as 3k. In place of n I am writing as 3k plus 4. This 4 I can split it and write it as 3k plus, I can write it as 3 plus 1. 4 and splitting and writing as 3 plus 1. From these two terms, I can take out 3 common. 3, if I take out common, here k will be left out. Here plus 1. 3 into k, 3k plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 1. Again, if you compare this, this is in the form of b, q plus r. b, q plus r. Here q is k plus 1. Q is an integer. K plus 1 is also an integer here. So, bq plus r means remainder is 1. If remainder is 1, which means this n plus 1, n plus 4 is not divisible. So, that is, we get a remainder 1 when divisible by 3. When divisible by 3. Okay. Now here we are taking the first case, n is divisible by 3. So second case, we'll take it as n plus 2 is divisible. Second case, we'll take it as n plus 2 is divisible. Let n plus 2 is divisible by 3, which implies n plus 2 is equal to 3k. I am taking n plus 2 is in the form of 3k. Now let us check what will happen to n. From here what is n? Which implies I can write n is equal to 3k. If I bring 2 to the other side, it becomes minus 2. Okay. So I can write it as, I'll write here 3k minus 2. If I have 3 here, then this becomes 3k minus 3. I can take out 3 common. In order to make this 3, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. So I will get n is equal to 3k minus 2. I am subtracting 1, adding 1. Minus 1 plus 1. This is the rough column. Minus 1 plus 1. So I'll get it as 3k minus 3 plus 1. I'm subtracting 1, adding 1 to make this minus 3. So from this, I can take out 3 common. K minus 1. 3 into k. 3k minus 3 into 1. 3 plus 1. So now this is in the form of bq plus 1. Okay. So that is, I'm getting a remainder 1 when divisible by 3. I'm getting a remainder 1 means this n is not divisible by 3. This is, remainder is 1 divisible by 3. Okay. So second case I am taking n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Then n I am getting remainder 1 for n. So this is not divisible. Then I have to check for n plus 4. What will happen to n plus 4? N plus 4. Okay. What is n? 3k minus 2. So I can write 3k minus 2. And in place of n I am writing 3k minus 2 from here. And plus 4 I am writing as it is. So what I am getting? 3k minus 2 plus 4 is how much? Minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2. Okay. Now, here, if you observe clearly, this is in the form of bk plus r. Here, the remainder is plus 2. So, which means the remainder is 2 when divisible by 3. So second case also we see that if n plus 1 is divisible by 3, then n is not divisible, n plus 4 is also not divisible. First case we have seen that n is divisible by 3, then n plus 2 is not divisible because we are getting a remainder 2 here. N plus 4 is also not divisible because we are getting a remainder 1 here. Second case I am taking n plus 2 is divisible, then I am getting n is not divisible, n plus 4 is also not divisible. So similarly, I have to take the third case. Third case what I have to do? I should take n plus 4 is divisible. N plus 4 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So that is n plus 4 is of the form 3k. Then what is happening to n here? N is equal to, bring this 4 to the other side. So 3k minus 4. So I have to see that the remainder is plus in terms of plus. So for that reason what I do is I will add plus 2 and minus 2. So that this becomes 6. I can take out 3 common. So if I do plus 2 minus 2, what I will get? 3k minus 4 minus 2 plus 2. I am getting minus 2 plus 2. So I will get 3k minus 6 plus 2. So from these two I can take out 3 common. So this becomes k minus 2 plus 2. So 3 into k minus 2 plus 2. So this is in the form of b q plus r. So remainder is 2 when divisible by 3. Okay, so what I can write here? Remainder is 2 when divisible by 3. So now here n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Then n is not divisible because you are getting remainder as 2. Now next let us take for n plus 2. So what is n plus 2? N plus 2 is equal to, what is n? N is 3k minus 4. So 3k minus 4 plus 2. That is 3k minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. But here we have to see that the remainder is in the form of plus r. So for that reason I will add plus 1 minus 1. So it becomes minus 3. I can take out 3 common. So plus 1 minus 1 if I add, I will get 3k minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So I will get it as 3k minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Then here I will write it as 3. I will take out common from these two. So I will get k minus 1 plus 1. So now this is in the form of BQ plus R in division algorithm lemma. Compare this with division algorithm lemma. This is in the form of BQ plus R. R is 1. Okay. B is 3 here. Okay. Remainder is 1. Which means this n plus 1, n plus 2 is not divisible. That is remainder is 1 when divisible by 3. So in all the 3 cases, we will observe that first case n is divisible by 3, then n plus 2 is not divisible, n plus 4 is also not divisible. Here we are getting the reminders. The next, here similarly what you will get? N plus 2 is divisible, then we are getting n is not divisible and also n plus 4 is also not divisible. Third case, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, then we are getting n is not divisible and n plus 2 is not divisible. So at the end you have to write this statement, one and only one out of n, n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Therefore, one and only one out of n, n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So in this way we have to solve this problem. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.